naleyo journey. It was just me opening another can of worms also, whereby now even with family now siqale kuba nama disputes nakhona kuba ngathi uba black sheep of the family, kuba nje neyinkinga eziningi, start being blamed for a whole lot of things man ezenzakalayo, of which azenzi sense noma they are not linked to you, as a particular individual. Also with spiritual attacks nazo siqale ziyanda excessively, so then people start name calling me ngamagama nje angasile, obvious mawuzothi uyathwasa noma wenza whatsoever gama elidumile ke bazothi you umthakathi or you practice witchcraft, so those are the things nje ebengibhekana nazo, not just only futhi from family but even in the community ebengihlala kuyona, and that set up ukuthi namanje abantu sebaqale bayasidistansa from wena because bazokubona ufaka ubuhlalo noma ufaka intambo, kusho ukuthi hayi mhlambe uyabagangela and what not, abantu abasathembi even with food basho ukuthi hayi mhlambe wena usithelele umuthi ekudleni. So it's things that I've experienced, even stigma around school, kuzothiwa hayi ngoba manje sengiphasa kahle shuthi mina ngisebenzisa imithi ngicindezela abanye abantu, kuba nje a whole lot of things man ezenzakalayo, and zona ziba buhlungu honestly speaking, but I'd say ukuthi kuyadingeka ukuthi kwenzakale such, cause kuyakusiza ukuthi ukwazi ukuqina and you are able to withstand whatever challenge that comes in your way, cause hambe zishiyashiyana. And even after my years sengiqedile ke esikolweni ke nalapho, it was a case whereby ke now ke I am exposed to the real world, and upon being exposed to that nakhona there's a few challenges that you encounter nasi zangomeni. There's inkulumo manje ukuthi hayi wena wenza kanjani, kungani uphumelela, mhlambe ngithwele or whatsoever, ngithwebula amandla abantu and whatsoever. So inkulumo man ezinjalo, abanye because babona ukuthi uphumelela kahle umuntu azosusa nje inkulumo athi hayi lo akanadlozi and whatsoever, so inkulumo nje ezambe nami nje zingiqinisene, as much as yes ziyakuphula as umuntu, because I'm human after all, I have feelings like everyone else, but inkulumo ezihambe nje zangiqinisa zangakho ukuthi yazini noma ngabe wenza kahle or wenza kabi, people will always talk, they always have something to say.